Hey guys, welcome back to Noah's channel. Tomorrow, we're going to be heading to Coach's track to get some first practice in on the new TC50. We haven't ridden it too much since we bought it. The previous owner said the oil was changed. It looks fresh, but I'm still going to change it myself. I've noticed the bars are a little offset. They're scooted more this way. I'm going to even the bars up. I noticed the rear wheel is out of adjustment. It's a little further on this side, so it's got a slight wobble. I'm gonna fix that as well. And then I'm just gonna check all the nuts and bolts. You know, it's our first time having the bike. These things are no joke for a 6-year-old, so I gotta make sure that it's good for him. Yeah, let's go ahead and give her a little cold start, get her started up. We are all packed up, ready to go. Finally getting some track time in. Bike is looking good. It's clean, and the bike is about to get dirty. Huge shout out to High Tom Power Sports, HTP. They had some C50 race gas in stock, so we were able to pick some up. And hopefully Sunday, we're gonna get some more track time in at either East Bend or Black Ankle, whichever is open. We're gonna go pick up Noah from school, and we're gonna head to the track.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're practicing at Coach's track. I just cleared a double for the first time.
Was clearing the double scary?
No.
No?
No. I almost cleared that tabletop, and when I almost cleared it, I like kind of turned my wheel, then it made me swervely, but I saved it.
Good save.
My favorite thing today was clearing the double.